Back in the early 2000s, starting a blog was as easy as signing up on LiveJournal or Blogger, tossing your thoughts online like emotional confetti, and calling it a day. Most of us treated it like a personal diary, or let's be honest, like a personal trash can for our midnight musings and questionable poetry. But today, in 2025, and blogging has grown up a bit. Sure, it's still an excellent outlet for your passions, hobbies, and hot takes, but now it can also be a serious platform for sharing knowledge or even building a business. The core idea of blogging hasn't changed much, but the tools and strategy did. So how do you create a blog in 2025 that looks sharp, stands out, and maybe even pays the bills? Well, stick around to find out. A lot has changed since the early days of blogging. Back when launching a blog on a free platform with a clunky subdomain like this one was totally normal. But in 2025, that approach feels, let's say, outdated. While it's still technically possible, it's no longer the smart move if you want your blog to be taken seriously. Today, having a custom domain, something clean like ctzblog.com, adds instant credibility and professionalism. It helps you build trust with your audience, especially if you're planning to turn your blog into a business or become an authority in your niche. Owning your domain gives you full control over your brand and online identity, and it can even boost your visibility in search engines, since custom domains tend to rank better than subdomains. Besides that, it's a relatively low-cost investment that offers long-term benefits. No matter which platform you use, your domain remains a stable, consistent home for your blog. But as with everything, there is always the best solution, best website builder options for blogs included. When it comes to websites, blogs are not the most complicated thing to build, and their owners usually just want to focus on the content rather than the technical side of things. For that reason, the simpler the building process, the better. From my experience, hosting is the easiest and probably the best solution to start a blog. It's a super easy to use builder thanks to its drag and drop control and AI building capabilities. It offers just the right amount of customization to build what most of you need. On top of that, it's one of the most affordable solutions out there. So for today's tutorial, I'm using the Hosting a Website Builder. Alright, the first thing you'll have to do is pick a plan. So I've mentioned that Hostinger is affordable, but to get an even better deal, you can use my discount code by scanning this QR code or clicking the link in the description. There's two website builder options, and either of them is enough for creating a professional blog. The decision mostly comes down to whether you want to use their AI tools or not. They make the building process easier, but are definitely not a must-have. There's also other differences too, like website limit. But you're probably not thinking about building 30 blogs out of the gate. It might be possible thanks to AI, but come on, the price difference is also minimal. But if you're not sure, it's fine to start with the premium website builder and then upgrade anytime you need, or if you want to try out those AI tools. Alright, now that you've got the plan, let me show you how to create a blog website that's actually good the easiest way. It's by building your blog with Hostinger AI. So from the Hostinger dashboard, go to the website and then click on Add Website. Select Hostinger AI Website Builder and then just fill it in with a prompt describing what kind of blog you want it to be. It will get built in just a few moments. Now the results might not be what you like at first, but you can always just try again. And once it gets close to your idea, you can start editing. It's basically like Sims for websites minus the pool ladder drama. Now there's also a blog template option. Instead of filling out the prompt, select or use pre-made templates at the bottom. Then select the blog option at the top and it will filter templates suitable for blogs. After selecting the template, you'll get right into the editor. Next, click on the three dots right here and then select blog. From there, you can add a new post, give it a spicy title, write your heart out and add tags or categories if you click here at the bottom. Boop. Categories will help you out a lot. Think of them like a playlist folder for your blog content. Travel, food, late night existential thoughts, whatever fits. It makes your blog way easier to navigate and gives it that organized chaos feel. Categorizing your posts using tags or categories is a great way to help visitors navigate your content more easily. For example, if your blog covers multiple topics like travel, food, and tech, assigning each post to a relevant category can make it easier for readers to find what interests them. This also helps improve the structure and searchability of your blog. No necessary confusion for your visitors. Editing your existing blog post is rather simple too. Just go back to the blog panel, hover over the post that you want to update, and click the pencil icon. Make your changes and then click to update the post. If you ever want to delete a post, hover over it in the same menu and click the trash bin icon. To make sure accidents don't happen, the platform will ask you for confirmation before permanently removing the content. Alright, so real talk. Most people are reading blogs on their phones while pretending to pay attention in Zoom meetings. So your blog has to look good on mobile. Click the phone icon at the top of the editor to preview the mobile version. Check that your text is readable, your images aren't wild and stretched, and the menu isn't hiding like it's playing hide and seek. If something looks off, tweak it directly in the mobile view. It's still the same hosting editor, so it's not going to be difficult. Now, if you have an idea for a blog post but have a blank page paralysis problem, AI Blog Writer can get you started, or actually even write the entire blog post for you. Sure, you might want some editing afterwards, but it still saves a lot of time and effort. It allows you to select whether the post should be formal, casual, or neutral and select the length. Of course, you'll also have to describe what the blog post is about. Now, about editing the rest of the site and making things pretty. It's mostly just drag and drop controls with 14 elements that you can find here on the left menu. Besides that, there are other AI tools more than just the blog writer. A reminder that just like with AI Blog Writer, the rest of the AI tools require the business plan too. And another reminder, if you want it at a nice discount, I have got deals in the description. Anyhow, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, simply click the Publish button in the top right-hand corner. It will prompt you to manage your domain, and here's the good news. If you decide to go with Hostinger for your blog hosting and building, it gives you a free domain for an entire year. It's the last step for your blog to look truly professional. If you're still not sure what domain name to choose, you can do it later and go with a free subdomain for now. Your blog will be live anyway, and you'll decide on it later. Going forward, some tips for you as a fresh-baked blogger. It's helpful to stick to regular posting schedules. Use high-quality visuals to help your readers engage, and share your posts on social media to attract more visitors. As for backups, luckily for you, Hostinger keeps backups for 30 days. All you have to do is not forget to save your latest revisions. So by now, you know how to start a blog, but some of you may wonder how to make a blog and earn money, and I totally get it. Writing a good blog takes time, effort, and talent. Hello, talent. No, camera's over there, you need to look at the camera. There are several ways to monetize. The first one is ads. Recently, Hostinger added a Google Ads app to their builder, and it's such a welcome addition. It allows you to set up and manage Performance Max campaigns directly from your website builder dashboard. No complicated tools or marketing degrees required. It helps you reach people who are actually looking to buy what you offer across search, YouTube, Gmail, and more. You can also track conversions to see what's working and get smart personalized ad and budget tips to make every click count. Basically, it's ad management made easy and effective. Another way is to add an online store to your blog and sell products. To do that, click here on this cart from the menu that says Manage Store. From there, you can add up to 500 products, anything from gadgets or accessories to digital downloads. You can also upload photos, set prices, write descriptions, and manage inventory all in one place. The builder also lets you handle orders, set up shipping options, and accept payments from major providers like Stripe or PayPal. It's all integrated, sleek, and mobile-friendly by default. So your store looks great on any device. You just focus on the product, and Hostinger handles the rest. Now for those who think their content is so good it's worth paying for, there is also a gated content option. While Hostinger doesn't have a native gated content switch, you can easily create the same effect using password-protected pages or by integrating email sign-up forms. Here's the move. First, create a new page in the website builder and add your exclusive blog post or downloadable content there. Then go to that page's settings and turn on password protection. You can choose a password that only subscribers or customers will get. To gate the content, link this private page to a call to action on your public blog post. For example, your public post could tease the first part of the content and then say something like, "Want the full guide? Enter your email to get access." You've probably seen those before. You can use Hostinger's built-in form builder to collect email addresses. After someone submits the form, redirect them to the password page or send them the access via email. And yeah, that's about it. Maybe not ideal, but it's gated content done your way. Whether you're sharing in-depth tutorials, cheat sheets, or secret sauce strategies, this setup keeps your premium stuff protected and your visitors waiting for more. So I've shown how to create a blog that looks professional and might even make some money. It's actually really simple. But if you have any problems or just want to brag about your blog, you can do it in the comment section. And if there are no questions to be asked, means that now you know how to build your own blog with Hostinger. Just before I go, a reminder that I've got Hostinger deals in the description so that you don't overpay. Thank you for watching, and may you write the best blog ever. Peace.